friends, Tux here. What I have for you here in this little bag is eyeglasses from Lacoste, okay? If you're not familiar, Lacoste is the little alligator brand that's been around for 80 plus years, and now they've kind of branched into eyeglasses. And I've had some people ask about these after making my Jaguar eyeglass video. They're like, what about Lacoste? So I went ahead and got a pair of prescription Lacoste glasses just to see what it's all about, if you will, okay? See if it's worth it in my opinion. This is how they came to me in this little bag. I think that's just a generic bag from the doctor's office, you know, and inside here there's a few little goodies. There's looks like a pen from the eyeglass clinic. There's a towel, but that is not Lacoste. This is from the eyeglass clinic. So these are just like little promo swag things they kind of throw in the bag, but this is what it really boils down to. I did wear these on the way home just to try them out, but so far I'm impressed. Like the case, I think if you watched my video on like the Shaquille O'Neal glasses, one of my comments was I didn't like the way the case felt so incredibly cheap, and this feels like a very nice, beautiful case, very good quality. It'll definitely protect. It's very solid. It'll protect those glasses, which is really nice. So this is what they look like, guys. This is the ones I went with. Okay, so very cool. I don't wear glasses all the time, but you know, I like to have glasses. I have a VSP that pays for them, so I do get glasses just to have them, you know. And this time around, I went ahead and went with Lacoste. Okay, and I tried on various glasses from different companies, and although I traditionally think I want Oakley or something, Oakleys are not the most comfortable. They really are not. And these really blew me away. They had the comfort level of the Shaquille O'Neal ones, but I thought they were a little more stylish and just a little better quality too, as far as the build goes. So very cool. This particular frame does feature the Lacoste font here on the side, some low colors. Of course, that's a French company, so you got some of the French colors there, I guess. And the actual these are actually bifocals, so they are a little bit stronger. I kind of want to say that I think the ones I got, the Jaguar ones I got before, if you go back in my queue, those were just reading glasses, and I don't wear glasses much at all, honestly. But you know, since I get them for free with a VSP or whatever, I generally do, you know. And these feel very good. They're very lightweight. The frames feel very solid. I don't know if this is titanium, but it does feel very solid. I don't think I'll have any problems with that. And I think the styling is nice too. Like, I like the way the styling is on them. Now, I'm not the biggest fan about bifocals. I can talk about that later in a different video in depth if you want. But generally, I don't wear glasses because I don't like, you know, the nearsighted versus farsightedness of it. But, you know, sometimes for driving and stuff, I will actually wear glasses. It just kind of depends. But these, I think they're very comfortable for my time trying them on and wearing them, I can tell you. And I like the style of them. The brushed aluminum look, I think, is very nice. You can see the brushed aluminum frame around here feels very strong. Like the little logo, like the little splash of color there is nice. And I like the way these don't really feel like they're pinching me. One of my biggest complaints about glasses in general is the way that this pinches around your nose. I really don't like that. So these don't do that. So that does make me feel like maybe I will enjoy wearing these a little bit more than wearing some other glasses, you know. But just extremely comfortable, good style to them. You know, not terribly expensive, but these are more of a premium type frame, so these will cost you a little bit more than some of the other frames that your doctor's office may have. But I think it's worth it at least try them on and see if you like them, okay? Because you might just find the feel of these are really nice, and this will be worth it, okay? I will have a link for this brand down below for Amazon, so you can check it out. And although with a prescription from the doctor, I think you can still get them made online, so maybe that will help you a little bit. But the frames, I think you can buy and then take to your doctor's office, and that might actually be cheaper. I think sometimes when you buy frames, like a brand name frame like this at a doctor's office, sometimes they kind of gig you and charge you full price, but you might be able to find this frame actually cheaper, you know, through Amazon. Again, I'll have that cheaper link down below, and then you can compare for yourself. But anyway, pretty stylish little glasses, I think. And if you have any questions, let me know. I may do a follow-up videos on these down the road, but just to recap a few of my previous videos, the Shaquille O'Neal ones I still wear. They're very lightweight, they're very comfortable. They almost feel like you don't have anything on, which is good and bad. But I felt like the case was cheap, and I felt like the actual glasses felt a little bit cheaper, you know. The Jaguar frames are beautiful. They They do great for me. I think it's one of the best lenses I've ever had. And just in general, the comfort levels there, good quality, everything about them I love, love, love. And these I think I will love as much, although I'm not sure if I like the bifocal part of it, but that's more of a decision with how I had the doctor spec out the glasses, the actual lenses for the glasses, okay? All right, friends, hope that makes sense, okay? If you have any questions or want to know anything else about these particular frames, let me know. But I think they're stylish, and I think they're lightweight and very durable, and they're classy. Like, I like them. I think they're good. So anyway, friends, thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate it. Be sure to check out my other videos for eyeglasses and sunglasses, and we'll talk to you soon, okay? All right, bye-bye.